Today I'm going to show you how I made these amazing VFX all with AI. You can skip After Effects and the visual effects team. Do it all yourself with a simple prompt, some source material, and a sprinkle of creativity. This is Google Omni on Artlist, and it's seriously going to blow your mind. Our exploration of Gemini Omni Flash is going to be focused on some of the most common visual effects categories, such as object removal, weather, and more. There are chapter markers for each category if you want to skip ahead. I'll be using Artlist for all of our generations today. Alright, once you're logged into Artlist, just click here to start a new session. Then select Video and choose Google Omni Flash from the model selector. Google Omni works in a couple of ways. You can provide it with a text input. You can also provide it with a start and optional end frame. You can provide it with an image reference, and you can provide it with a video reference. For our first test, we are going to try a removal. I want to remove all the people from the background of this video, leaving only the two in front. Here's the result, and it's pretty incredible. Doing this manually would take forever to get right. Not only did it create video, but it added audio. My source had none to start with. Omni excels at removing things from videos, and honestly, it is so much fun to do. Check out how taking a thing or two away can totally change the feel of a video. Okay, that's creepy. Super creepy. Next up, I'm going to show you how easy it is to do virtual product placement with Omni. For our next experiment, I'm going to combine the previous running video we used with a shirt I found on Amazon. Here is the prompt I used. Dress the black man in the white shirt with image 1 and relight the scene so it is golden hour. At first glance, I was super impressed with this. Look at the logo. The words are so clear. But then I looked at the face. It's not the same guy. My mistake is that I left the face and body on the source image, so Omni combined them. When I removed the face from the source, I wound up with a much better result. Adding virtual branding to existing footage is super easy. Just supply a clean version of your logo and describe your scene. This is a game changer for influencers. You can do sponsorships you could only dream about a year ago and reimagine the way you incorporate brands into your content. Adding crowds to scenes has long been a practice in Hollywood, and now you can do it yourself with a click. This used to take an entire team and weeks or months of work. This next one is really interesting. Omni noticed that Senegal was written on the man's back, so it added the Senegal colors and flags. Crowds aren't just for stadiums. With Omni, you don't have to be lonely dancing by yourself anymore. Instant celebrity status. Omni is really good with understanding weather, seasons, and how to change them, complete with audio. It's the little things that are so impressive here. The rain drops on the window from the wind. The water on the porch really blurs reality. These are seriously professional level effects. Look at that snow on the window. I am stunned. Here's another example. In this one, the snow is slightly slushy, and Omni changed the trees to account for the season. So cool. In this one, you have to pay attention to the physics of the woman's dress. When it's raining, Omni understands that it should be wet and heavier. Wow. In snowy weather, Omni added snow on the top of her shoes. There are so many little details like this that other models just don't pick up on. You can use Omni to relight your clips and change the entire aesthetic. I did these with simple text prompts, but you can also add a reference image for lighting. I asked Omni to use the color palette from this photo and apply it to the scene of the woman drinking. Omni can swap characters with ease. I was able to swap this woman for a male rock star with a simple text prompt. Remember, there is no audio in the source footage. Omni is adding the audio and doing the lip sync on its own.
I'm just a puppet on a lonely string. Oh, follow me down. I'm feeling so good tonight. Nothing's gonna stop me now. Yeah, I am feeling so brand new. I'm just dancing in the mirror. Nothing's gonna stop me now.
For my next test, I used this footage of 2 wrestlers as my source, then had Omni change characters and scenes. You can easily reimagine any video, and it does a great job understanding what to change about the scene. This next test blew me away. I wanted to see if I could get realistic characters dancing at a party with lots of movement. Prepare yourself. This is crazy. Now I want to tell you that was really hard, but it wasn't. If you can type a basic prompt and have some good source footage, that's all you need. And since you are on Artlist, you get access to their stock footage library. The next super useful prompt type I want to talk about is multi-angle. With Omni, you can upload your source clip and use AI to generate any camera angle you want. You can upload a simple clip and easily generate multiple angles of your subject. When you need a few extra shots for B-roll footage, this type of prompt can be a lifesaver, and Omni makes it so very easy to do. Next up is digital aging, a Hollywood favorite for storytelling. Simply prompt your target age to Omnia and it takes care of the rest. It even adjusts their voice if your footage has audio. This was my first test. It did all right in this scenario, but I think it really shines with more natural settings. Generally speaking, I've found that Omni will match the qualities of the footage provided to it. Better source footage, better AI output.
I really think we need to focus on this part. It's not just about the design. We have to think about how people will use it. There are so many possibilities. We just need to take the first step.
You see, when you get to my age, you start to realize what really matters.
Which brings us to our last visual effect for this video, water and liquids. I'll start with something simple, adding a fountain to a pond, along with some lighting adjustments. Next, let's flood a room, like something you would see in an insurance commercial. For this shot, I wanted to fill the pool with water. The first time it wasn't giving me what I wanted, it was too clean. So I changed my prompt to specify dirty water and got the result I was hoping for. There are so many amazing things you can do with Omni. If you're a creative pro, you owe it to yourself to give it a whirl. I promise you're going to love it. And these tools just keep getting better. And that's a wrap for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.